Hsn app, shopping app for deals. So here you see this app, super popular. Shop thousands of products from your favorite brands, anytime, anywhere. The award-winning Hsn Shop app puts the best electronics, cookware, home jewelry, women's clothing, skincare, cosmetics, and more right in the palm of your hand. Watch live shows. You can also use them to watch live shows. Convenient customer service, flex pay manager, auto ship manager, easy checkout. Just with using Apple Pay. So yeah, here you have it. Let's just install it for you. Small app, 47 megabytes. It probably works on all types of phones, even some older phones. So you can watch some of these shows and then just literally buy the items in here. There's shop, all the categories, deal spotlight, which you can find in here. Then there's the bag, your account, all kind of stuff. And that's basically the idea, how you can just get it. You can also participate in some kind of programs to get even more points in here and get even more deals. So that's basically the idea.